ZeroFlex is a digital account, and it has free charges. It has free banked wallet charges. It's an account that you open at any place of your comfort, making it a digital account. How it has changed, financial services. One, it's about affordability, and affordability. Here we're talking about the cost, the cost of entry. It has removed that barrier, so implying that anyone can open this account and put as little as 20,000. When your money is there, it is untouched. We do not have any maintenance fees. The way you put it is the way you find it. Secondly, it has simplified, access to banking services. An account which you can open anywhere for as long as you have the app, or you're on a Post Bank website. There are customers out there who do not have, smartphones. Anyone with a smartphone can help you on board, and then you can use USSD for the same account and enjoy the services. So that's how it has, changed the industry. This account is also intended for the customers who have not come into the financial services. Okay, and most of these customers, they fear that there's so many costs that you can speak of, in banking, and this account comes when it is free of those costs, hence giving them an avenue to get into the system. There are those who are underbanked, okay, and maybe they have multiple accounts that where they incur charges, and they only come to the bank to enjoy a certain service. So this account opens all opportunities for different products that they can enjoy within the bank. An account which they can, transact with and qualify for even, other banking services like, mobile loans, insurance, and so on. So it's an account that brings the unbanked into the banking services, and even the underbanked to enjoy more products within the bank. So ZeroFlex applies to all customers, okay, irrespective of where you are, irrespective of who you are. Someone in Chikagati, for as long as they have a mobile phone, they can open that account. Someone who's going to Dubai, or even someone who's in Dubai, can still open this account. So I made sure that this account is digitally opened, implying that if you have the platform that enables you to open this account, you can open it anywhere you are. So irrespective of whether you're in a rural area or in an urban setting, you can still open this account and enjoy its services. So from inception, we've seen a number of new to bank customers accounting for over 89%. We could say these are customers who would potentially have not come into financial services. We've seen it attract new customers to the bank. Okay, that's a very huge impact it has brought. Secondly, we've seen even other customers who were having maybe high cost products also taking on this product as well, increasing the product ratios that a customer can have. So it has, but the very big impact is the 89% new to bank customers that has brought to Postbank. This account, it comes with a free banked wallet, okay? I believe it's the only account within the industry that has a free banked wallet. Free banked wallet is you're pushing money, you're pulling money from your bank to the wallet. The wallet can be Wendy, the wallet can be MTN, the wallet can be Airtel for free. Now, most of our customers out there have interacted with these wallets. These are the wallets which they use more often. Someone is either using a Wendy wallet, is using an MTN wallet, or an Airtel wallet frequently. Now, you're giving them an opportunity to also get into financial services by giving them an account where they can transact freely at affordable costs. And you're giving them two solutions at once with this ZeroFlex. Yeah, so most within the industry, most banks charge about 2,000, 3,000 for you to push money from a bank to a wallet. We're giving it to you for free, okay? And with other different free services, we talked about management fees. We talked about you can get your statement digitally for free. We do not charge you management fees. Management fees, these are fees that institutions, or what you would call ledger fees, that are charged on a monthly basis to maintain your account. We are maintaining your account for free. The way you put your money there is the way you're going to find it the next month, and so on. So this account is intended for individuals. It's not necessarily built for businesses, but we have directors or individuals running businesses out there, and maybe they would want to maintain some transactions on this account as individuals. So it can work for them as well. But it is a personal account intended for individuals. Postbank's purpose, fostering prosperity for Ugandans, is anchored, on 3 what you would call high impact goals. And the very first one is to drive, sustainable financial inclusion. Sustainable financial inclusion. And the second one is, stimulating entrepreneurship and service. But I will talk about the very first one, of financial inclusion. This account is well aligned to our strategy and our purpose as a bank, whereby we want to tap into every Ugandan to be able to to be banked, okay, and enjoy a seamless financial services that are affordable. The fact that you can open this account wherever you are, we're talking about Ugandans in the north, in the east, in the west, wherever you are, Ugandans in the diaspora, we're including them into the financial services. And it talks about financial inclusion. More to that, I talked about transacting with this account enables you to qualify or to get more financial services. Talking about the mobile loan, what you would call digital loans. Digital loans built on the base of your transactions. So the fact that you get into financial services and through this product and you transact with it, it gives you an avenue to enjoy more products, and hence you're completely included into financial services. So this account has been mostly opened by the youth. Majority is about 50% are youth, that's from the age of 30 to 39. This is followed by the lower bottom of the youth, that is from 18 to 30. We have some customers who are between the age of 40 to 60. But the dominant customers that we've attracted by this account are the youth between 30 and 39. In terms of demographics, this product is evenly appreciated, but we've seen more traction coming in from the north, okay? We've seen customers coming in from the west, and some customers within CBD, that's the central business area. But you'll see that the variance is really minimal. It's evenly appreciated by our customers. So to me, that explains the value that we are giving to Ugandans entirely. If it was skewed to one region, we would say that it's biased to that region. But the fact that appreciation of this product is evenly distributed shows you how you're including all Ugandans with the different features, the need. You're actually touching on the need that these customers want across Uganda. So 30 to 39, these are majority Ugandans. Of course, when you pull it down to the youth, most Ugandans are youthful. And these are Ugandans who are mostly tech savvy. They like simplicity. These are Ugandans who do not want to make long routes to bank branches. They want to do their transactions wherever they are. And this account gives them that option, that you can open your account wherever you are and transact, okay? Gone are the days where, someone has to walk to a branch, get a paper, fill a form and open an account, or even wait for a day or so. This account, you open it instantly, okay? And that's what customers desire. There's something I didn't mention. From our analysis of the different customers, we found out that whenever a customer opens an account, some even fund it immediately. What does that tell you? There is trust. They trust the whole process of opening the account. They trust the bank they're opening an account with, the fact that they can easily fund it immediately after opening the account. Something impressive. So this account is accessible 24/7. That is on your mobile. You can access this account on USSD as well. That is a 263 hash. So that gives them convenience to manage their funds wherever they are. Secondly, the journey of opening it, you can open it wherever you are and access those financial services. The features it comes with, it being a ZeroFlex, the zero means something, okay? The fees I talked about, the maintenance fees, the banked wallet fees, and all other different features for this account, including free statements that you can get on the account. Then in terms of security, the fact that you access this account on our channels, there is embedded security. Of course, for you to log into onto the app to view your transactions, to see your balance, you follow the right security protocol where you have to log in, you get a password or even an OTP, so your money is safe. Okay? As an individual, if it is your PIN, it is your PIN, and you don't share it. You're the only one who can access your account with your PIN or on your platform. That's USSD or mobile. Yeah, so it is completely secure by those security protocols. Yeah, so ZeroFlex has a direct integration with Wendy. Speaking about banked wallet, I think that's the core integration that it has, that you can move your money from the bank to the wallet. Same, you can move your money from the wallet to the bank account. So there's seamless real-time integration. So a customer can freely move his money from the bank to the wallet, run your transactions. Same way you can move your money from the wallet to the bank and run your transactions seamlessly, without any charge. We have areas where predominantly have customers who have, let's say, feature phones. Okay, so with an agent who maybe has a privilege of having a smartphone, can help these customers to onboard. But after they've been onboarded, now they can use their phone, their feature phone, by using the USSD code to access their account. So yes, we have agents. These are Wendy agents who support our customers open this account as well. Yeah, so the first KPI you spoke about is distribution. You've seen an even distribution, which is good to us. It's not biased to one. At first we thought it would be biased by the people in the urban areas, but we've seen appreciation of the product even in the rural areas. Secondly, this is the product that has had the highest growth, what you would call exponential growth. A product which has less than a year, are having a growth of over 50%, and secondly, attracting new to bank of 89% speaks volumes. Okay. Secondly, it's a product that has been appreciated by all demographics. When you talk about gender, it's even as well. We've seen, but of course, more women taking on the product, but the percentage is really minimal, a 49 to a 51%. You can call it a 50-50%. In terms of balance sheet, it has also pulled, commendable number of value of balances. It has superseded some products that we've been having for ages, so it speaks volumes as well. And maybe lastly, we've seen it being appreciated by our target market, which was the youth, 40 years and below, and we've achieved that as well in regards to the KPI about this product. So the journey starts with my phone. Okay, I just wake up in the morning. All I need is my national ID. I go to either the website of Postbank, or I go to the Play Store or App Store. I download the Postbank mobile app. Okay, I go through the process with my national ID. I take an image of my national ID. It is validated. I go through the different steps. I take a small selfie. I submit my, my signature and my national ID. In less than a few seconds, I have my account generated. Okay. Of course, there's some other level of approval, but you can still transact by pushing money onto the account. The approval takes less than 5 minutes, where there's someone, there's a system, of course, validating your national ID, and there's someone who looks at the documents you've submitted. Basic checks in banking, but which are also automated. Then you have your account ready, and you've self-onboarded on mobile banking. When the account is approved, you can start transacting immediately. That is push and pull. So on a day-to-day, if I have my mobile banking with that account there, I start running the different transactions. I can pay bills. Okay, I can send money within the bank. I can send money to the wallet. I can pay all different utilities using this account digitally. We have customers who may not even know where our branches are located, and they are using this account. They don't need to know where their branches are. So all they need is for them to get seamless financial services. And that's the world, and that's the world we are in right now. And you have to provide a product that speaks to the current customers. In terms of trends, we've seen that hike in terms of growth. If you follow it month on month, from the time we started, it has not gone down at all. We've seen accounts being opened on a monthly basis. The last month, the current month superseding the last month. So it has been a trajectory. That's in terms of trend. Then in terms of opportunity, there is opportunity in financial inclusion. Yes, we've provided this product to majority Ugandans, but there's still more that we need to tap, that we need to include, and that's an opportunity. So it is a call to us to push this product as much as possible so that we can bank these unbanked customers, and we know where they are. And of course, as a bank, we have planned to engage and provide them this interesting product so that they can be banked. In terms of challenges, there are no challenges we've observed so far. The product is still moving smoothly. The sales are coming through. The customers are appreciating it from the feedback we are getting from them. So we've not observed any challenges. The system through which they open account have all been stable. We've not had any challenges. So as a bank, one of our mandates is to protect personal data. And while opening this account, you'll see there's going to be a key fact document that shows you, what information you're going to collect from you and for what purpose. Within that document, we disclose on what information you're going to pick from you. And when you're comfortable with that, you agree to the terms and conditions. And we make a promise to protect your data. So that is what you consent to, and we pick the information and use it for only that purpose that we have indicated and communicated to you. Of course, cases might happen and let's say you find your data, but of course, which might not happen with us, you find your data out there. You can contact our support functions within the bank, and they will help you. Yeah, so the app is well secured. The app where you access your account, one, if it's USSD, you have a PIN, but also on the app, you have biometric access, you have password access, okay? So it is fully secured with authentication. So it is highly unlikely that they will compromise the security of the app to access your account. So you're fully secured. So ZeroFlex is going to transform this nation. Gone are the days when customers have to walk into a branch, and we've seen it happen. With the wide spread of agents, okay, and the different digital payments that are being made, the nation at large is appreciating digital, and here comes a product which gets you into banking, and it's also digital. So we envision ZeroFlex being the dominant product across Uganda with the highest market share in the next 1 year or in the next 2 years. And this is the product for every Ugandan. You've seen in the statistics. It's being appreciated across the country, and it's going to be something that will be driving, banking in terms of account. We envision providing customers more embedded solutions. Okay, you could have a ZeroFlex that comes with insurance. You have embedded insurance into the product. You have ZeroFlex and you're transacting. And hey, the bank calls you, you qualify for a digital loan, okay? So the more the customer transacts with the account, the more you qualify for alternative products that come tagged along with the ZeroFlex account.